Hello everybody and happy Halloween. Welcome to the McCall's Studio Spooky Halloween edition. We are back to make another Halloween cake with you guys. Last week we did a pull-apart cake and today we're decorating an actual cake using all the spooky colors and decorations, and we're gonna actually be playing around with some skulls today, some chocolate skulls. So I've got my cake here already stacked and ready to go. I've had it chilled in the fridge and I'm gonna start to decorate it now in a layer of buttercream, and then we'll show you guys how we're gonna create this spooky Halloween cake today together. If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe below and let's get started. To make coating our cake in buttercream a little easier today, I actually have my buttercream already in a piping bag ready to go. I colored this using the McCall's purple and we're using our McCall's buttercream today. This way you can kind of control how much buttercream is exactly going on your cake, and I find that it takes less time to smooth out. Into the freezer, and then we'll be right back to melt our candy melts and make our skulls. I've got my candy melts ready to go. I just melted them and we're going with white today. As you can see, it's the perfect consistency for us to work with. I'm also going to be adding some orange to this later, but I thought I would show you guys the first set of skulls. So we're going to want to make sure that they're not too thick. We're actually only going to be pouring a little bit into each. We want these skulls to be thin because we're going to be using them on our cake. These into the fridge so that they can set, and we'll get our cake and these out together to start decorating. Our cake is nice and chilled and ready to go, and I've also gone ahead and popped all of my skull molds out from the chocolate mold that we have here, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm actually gonna dust them in this gold shimmer from McCall's just to give them a little bit of an extra sparkle here. So you just need a little bit and a paintbrush to just go in there. And doesn't that just give them the nicest gold shimmer? We're gonna do it to all of the white ones, and then we're gonna start to apply them to our cake. So I have some of the purple buttercream left over, and I'm gonna be using that as my glue. Let's go in with some sprinkles. I've also got some eyes to add. I'm gonna start to do that, and then we'll show you guys the topper as well. Now for our final touches, of course, our sprinkles. So I've got on all of my little gumball eyes here. I've got some fingers, I've got some spiders and bats. Everything spooky for Halloween, you name it, it's on here. And I'm gonna go in with the McCall's Halloween Trick or Treat Mix. I'm gonna put this on top, give it a nice little border. And this one has a perfect combination of Halloween colors. It's got purple, it's got yellow, orange, black. So I think this is the perfect mix. Our Halloween cake is all ready to go, just in time for the trick-or-treaters. I love every detail on this cake. Every single thing brought it together. It's so spooky and the colors really scream Halloween. We just wanted to wish everybody a very happy and safe Halloween. We hope you guys enjoy this Halloween, and we can't wait to see you back in here for Christmas right around the corner. Bye guys.